Hey, welcome back to Mount Pleasant Farm. Today we are talking about hot chicks. Not hot chicks like that, but we're talking about chicks in general, chicken chicks. And we've got a few here that were given to us by some friends that I may need some help identifying. And I just want to show you some hot chick pointers, keeping them warm. And because it is February. We got them about 2 or 3 weeks ago when they were a month old, and we're trying to get them ready to put in the coop with the other chickens, but they're too small. So right now we're going to get them cleaned out today. We just got done hunting for about an entire weekend, so we're going to clean up these chicks, and you can come along and maybe you can help us identify them in some comments below when we get a moment here. Okay, so we're in here in the Mount Pleasant Farm garage, pole barn, whatever you want to call it, and there are our 3 getting awfully big chicks. One's all the way back in the corner, you can't see. I'm gonna get them out here for some better viewing here shortly, but some quick pointers on chicks. It's February, right? So we got them in a kind of a weird kind of year. Chicks need basically 4 things, okay? You see this brooder here, this chick brooder. I've already done a video on this. Chicks need 4 things. They need heat. We got a heat lamp right there. I like to have a heat lamp suspended. You see it's suspended from a cable there. Kind of hard to see. I'll give it up close. I got baling wire, so it's not going to melt. Okay, in the back of this. I don't like the clamp for these heat lamps because they can fall. This heat lamp's going nowhere. It's on a piece of cable, i.e. baling wire, hooked up to some 750 cord that goes all the way up to one of the trusses in the big pole barn here. So that's not going anywhere. So you've got heat. Second thing they need, of course, is food, which you see them going through there. There's the food. Nice big container of food, and they always have to have, like every other living thing, water. There's a water container in there. You always have to have a never-ending supply of clean water, and of course, you have to have a clean space, and that's what we're getting ready to do now. They've been in here a few days on these chips, and you don't want them to get all nasty. You can see they poop all over everything, and there's the other heater there. This is a brooder heater that you can get anywhere. That orange thing in there, they can get underneath it when they're small, and now they like to roost on top of it, as evidenced by all the crap on top. So those are the 4 basics for happy chicks. Happy chicks. These are getting to be almost chickens. They're pretty big. They were hatched on the 1st of the year, basically. So right now it's been a month and 19 days. So that's you were looking at over 6 weeks old. So anyway, like I said, 4 things: heat, food and water, and a clean place to live. And it's got to be a secure place. So now we're going to get to cleaning out this thing. We're going to get these chicks out of here. I'm have you going to help me identify these. They're supposed to be Jersey Giants. But I'm telling you, by looking at them, they don't look like Jersey Giants. Maybe they're a hybrid. Let's find out. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and get these bad boys out of here, or boys and girls. I know one's at least a rooster, I'm pretty sure. So I'm going to show these to you as I get them out right before I clean the cage. Hopefully we don't have an escapee here. They're not happy about being handled. Here's our first escapee. Watch this. Come here, rooster. That's the rooster. He'll probably be a... You'd think I was killing him, so here's what he is. This is supposed to be a Jersey Giant. I don't know if it's a mixed Jersey Giant or what this is, but he's ugly, and I could tell that's a rooster. 6 weeks old, and he's already looking like crazy. So, looking to see what you think. It's supposed to be black Jersey Giants. I think they're a hybrid. Let's grab another one. I'm gonna put this guy in the box. Crazy birds. Okay. This is an all black bird. Kind of feels like a hen to me looking at her. I'll call it a her. I don't see any kind of bumps for spurs yet. No waddles. All black. Got pretty black colored feet. I'm thinking just a black sex link. That's what I'm thinking. But who knows? Comments, let me know what you think. Hot chicks. And the last one. don't think that's a black Jersey Giant. I don't know what it is. Doesn't look like an Americana, or I have no idea. No idea. So if y'all would give me some ideas, I'm curious. She got a light colored feet, kind of brown and mottled feathers, a little bit of white on her head possibly. No idea. My thought is maybe they're all Jersey Giant hybrids, just mutts. But anyway, we got them out. We put them in a box. I'm gonna clean their brooder out real quick. So the brooder's all dumped out and scraped out for the most part. Just get all the hard stuff out with a scraper. Next we'll be scraping that perch mess, that rock, and that brooder heater. We'll get that stuff all scraped off and put back into the brooder. Now you see how big these chicks are. My very next project will be to build a small reintroduction coop. Got some old plywood over there I'll use, and that will go in the outside of our big chicken coop outside. So let's go ahead and get this brooder put back together. Okay, we've got the fresh bedding in there, and now we just need to reincorporate all the stuff back into the brooder. So those things are the perch, water, food, and your heater. And like I said, those are the essentials. You need, for these chicks, especially in this cold weather, you need food, water, and heat. And of course, I will put on the overhead heater here in just a moment. Okay, so you see now we've got the heater back in place, the overhead heater. We've got the brooder heater on the floor inside. Everything else is clean and good to go. We've got food and water. Now we just got to get these little rascals back in here. And they are not fond of being handled because we are not handling them enough. So hopefully don't get another escape. As a matter of fact, hold that. I'm going to close this big door real quick. Okay, so now the garage door is closed, so we don't have anybody escape when we're doing this transfer real quick here. There's a brown one again. And the black one, like I said, I think that's either a sex link or something like that. Black sex link, or black star they call it. Pull the rabbit out of here. And the rooster, he's definitely feistier than the rest. Big, white, and gray. Who knows what? Guess we'll find out. Everybody's happy and healthy. Okay, and there you have it. So please, in the comments below, if you have ideas on what these chicks may be, like I said, they're about 6 weeks old, please put something in the comments below. Maybe we can figure out exactly what these are. The thought was that they were black Jersey Giants, but definitely thinking that is not the case. But please, comment below, tell us what you think. Otherwise, thanks for watching. Share with your friends. Like, subscribe, and all that good stuff for more chicken videos and more Mount Pleasant Farm.